Assalamu alaikum guys, in this video we'll talk about what's new in Laravel 10.35. So let's start. I had here Laravel application. I will check the version of it. It's 10.34. Okay, I will upgrade it using this here, and I will say composer update. Whether it's enough to write the abbreviation of command, not all command. Now it has been updated, and if I run PHP artisan about, I will notice the version here is 10.35. And the first feature here is now you can import or use directive, this new directive inside plate. And it has two parameters. The first one is the class or enum, and the second parameter is the alias of this. So here is the old version. Now let's test it actually. I will say here add use, and I will say for user model user check. Yes, I have this here under this namespace, and I will say user first. Let's check. As we can see here, I have this data here, right? And now we can say name. I get the name, and also we can use alias as second parameter by saying maybe my user. Now user is not defined. Now I will use the alias and works again, right? The second one here is a number abbreviations or abbreviate method to show this, like maybe you see it in Instagram or social media, a number of or the abbreviation of numbers here. So if I open Tinker, artisan Tinker, I will say number abbreviate, and for 1000, 1k, right? What if 1500? It's 2k, it rounds it. So let's see the documentation of this number abbreviate method. Number let's say abbreviate here. Okay, let's see, for example, it uses for humans, and if I set the precisions to 2, now it works correctly, right? If you didn't use it, it will round it to the next 1000, right? Also for max precision to get rid of this 0. And here you can use max precision. So precision is important here for this method. After that, the next method is with secret to generate a secret code to access it while the application in maintenance mode. So let's try it. I will say here, and now I can access my application easily. I will say PHP artisan down with secret. I must say down, must be down here, and Laravel will provide you with password here or secret key here. Now I can access only using this, but if I try to access it normally here, let's clear the cache, clear, or let's renew it actually. Okay, let's take it up again, up, and let's try to down with different here, service unavailable, as we can see here, refresh. And if I try to access with my key here, Laravel saves it, right? So let's take it up again before I forget it. And the last thing is related to testing, right? It's conditional trait added to the assertable JSON. Here actually, we may talk about it later. So here's briefly what's new in Laravel 10.35. If you found it useful, support me by clicking on like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.